आदाब नाज़रीन, न्यूज़ 16 डिजिटल में आप सभी का खैर मकदम है। बैंगलोर शहर में वाक़े मनाहिल इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल का शानदार ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी प्रोग्राम का इनेकाद। जी नाज़रीन, 24 फरवरी 2024 बरोज़ हफ्ता बैंगलोर शहर में वाक़े मनाहिल इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल के 10th स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट्स का बेहतरीन अंदाज में ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी प्रोग्राम रखा गया, जिसमें बच्चों ने बड़ी ही खूबसूरत अंदाज में पार्टिसिपेट करते हुए इस प्रोग्राम में अपने टैलेंट से सबको खुश कर दिया। अगर इस बेहतरीन इदारे की तारीख की बात की जाए तो ये इदारे के फाउंडर और बानी हैं जनाब अलहाज नवाब जान कुरैशी, जिन्होंने इस इदारे को साल 1994 में कायम किया और उन्होंने अपनी मेहनतों और कोशिशों से इस इदारे को कामयाबियों की बुलंदियों तक पहुंचाया। लेकिन चंद साल पहले लॉकडाउन के दौरान उनका इंतकाल हो गया और उनके इंतकाल के बाद अब उनके इस बेहतरीन इदारे स्कूल को आगे बढ़ाने और चलाने की जिम्मेदारी उनके साहिबजादे जनाब सलीम पाशा कुरैशी ने अपने हाथों में ली है और उनके वालिद का ख्वाब कि बेहतरीन तालीम सभी बच्चों को फराहम की जाए, इसी ख्वाब को सुप्रीम एजुकेशन एंड कल्चरल ट्रस्ट के तहत बड़ी खूबसूरत तरीके से पूरा किया जा रहा है। लिहाजा बता दिया जाए कि इस साल 10th स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट का 19th बैच बखूबी अंदाज से अपने पढ़ाई का सफर मनाहिल इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल से पूरा कर रहा है। मनाहिल इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल में हर तबके और कैटेगरी के बच्चों को बेहतरीन और बेस्ट एजुकेशन दी जाती है और ये स्कूल के चेयरमैन स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम के तहत काफी बच्चों की पढ़ाई स्पॉन्सर की जा रही है। पिछले साल इसी स्कॉलरशिप के तहत 42 स्टूडेंट्स को स्कॉलरशिप दी गई थी और इस साल 58 स्टूडेंट्स को स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम के तहत स्कॉलरशिप देने की कोशिशें की जाएगी। लिहाजा इसी स्कीम के तहत यहाँ पर एडमिशन फ्री किया जाता है और जब कोई भी बच्चा 90% अबव परफॉर्मेंस लेकर आता है तो ऐसे बच्चों को और उनके डिजर्विंग वालिदैन को चेयरमैन स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम के तहत स्कॉलरशिप की सहूलत फराहम की जाती है। आखिर में ये बताते हुए चलें कि बड़ी फक्र की बात है कि ये स्कूल से पढ़ाई करके फारिग होने वाले बच्चे बाहर निकलकर बड़ी बड़ी पोस्ट पर और निशस्तों पर कायम हुए हैं। जैसे कि यहाँ से निकले हुए बैच के कई सारे बच्चे डिग्री ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं और एक स्टूडेंट सब इंस्पेक्टर ऑफ पुलिस की ड्यूटी पर फाइज है और यहाँ का एक और होनहार स्टूडेंट प्रेजेंट में झारखंड में डीसी की पोस्ट पर तैनात है और अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को बखूबी अंदाज से संभाल रहा है। लिहाजा ये स्कूल से निकलने वाले सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने अपने फ्यूचर में बड़े बड़े अचीवमेंट्स करते हुए बड़ी बड़ी पोस्ट पर फाइज हुए हैं। और एक जरूरी बात ये भी बता दी जाए कि यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स ने प्रतीक्षा पे चर्चा क्विज कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था और उनके बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस को देखते हुए वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी ने उनकी तारीफ की और उनके टैलेंट को सराहा। आखिर में ये बता दिया जाए कि मनाहिल इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल का मोटो और मकसद है फाउंटेन ऑफ नॉलेज, यानी कि यहाँ पर हर बच्चे को बेहतरीन नॉलेज देते हुए उन्हें बेस्ट एजुकेशन देने का विजन पूरा करने की शानदार कोशिशें की जा रही है। आइए देखते और जानते हैं ये स्कूल
Prepare to be inspired as our talented dancers take you on a flattering journey through the power of resilience, determination and perseverance. Let the music, rhythm and power, passion of our dancers ignite a fire within you. Let the performance begin.
क्या हुआ? इतनी टेंशन में क्यों है?
एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं यार।
हाँ तो
इस बार भी टॉप करना है। 98% तो लाने ही है, फिर ये शहर के टॉप की कॉलेज में एडमिशन भी हो जाएगा और आगे की पूरी प्लानिंग सेट है।
अरे डोंट वरी, एग्जाम्स भी अच्छे जाएंगे और हम टॉप भी कर लेंगे। थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ। एग्जाम्स के डिप्रेशन में कोई लाइफ जीना भूल जाता है क्या? मेहनत दिल लगा के की है ना, तो उसका नतीजा भी अच्छा ही होगा।
मैं अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे पाई। आई नो, सबको मुझसे बहुत उम्मीद थी कि मैं 98% लेकर आऊंगी, जैसे सबको चाहिए था ना, वो टॉपर ऑफ द टाउन एंड टॉप की कॉलेज। वो सब मैं अचीव नहीं कर पाई। मुझ में अब सबको फेस करने की हिम्मत नहीं है।
मजबूरी तुझसे ना डरूंगा, लाचारी तुझसे ना डरूंगा, जो भी होगा होगा जो भी होगा लड़ लूंगा।
पहली बार माँ बनने का एहसास। काश मैं देख पाती तुम्हारे चेहरे पर माँ बनने की खुशी क्या होती है। मुझे क्या चाहिए हमेशा मुझसे पहले तुम्हें पता चल जाता था। पैशन तो मुझे लगा था, पर दर्द मुझसे ज्यादा तुम्हें हुआ था। खुद स्कूल में मेरा एडमिशन करवाया तुमने, पर पहले ही दिन मुझको खुद से दूर भेजने के ख्याल से ही रो पड़ी थी। तब कितना समझाया था मैंने तुम्हें, तुम्हारी दादी उमा बनकर।
Tribute to teachers. Good evening, everyone. I am S.A. Father coming from grade 9. Today, our talented students of grade 10 come together in a gesture of profound and gratitude as they have crafted a special dance performance to the extraordinary individuals as a heartfelt tribute who illuminate their paths. Our dedicated teachers, without further delay, let us immerse ourselves in this beautiful tribute, a rhythmic expression of admiration, and thanks for the mentors who ignite the flame of knowledge and illuminate the journey of education.
तब से कदम मिला के और मुझे लगा था कि मैं अपने आप ही चलने लगी हूँ। मुझे क्या चाहिए हमेशा मुझसे पहले तुम्हें पता चल जाता था।
हेलो फोटोग्राफर, हेलो।
इंजेक्शन तो मुझे लगा था, पर दर्द मुझसे ज्यादा तुम्हें हुआ था। कितनी नींदें खराब की मैंने तुम्हारी। खुद स्कूल में मेरा एडमिशन करवाया तुमने, पर पहले ही दिन मुझको खुद से दूर भेजने के ख्याल से ही रो पड़ी थी। तब कितना समझाया था मैंने तुम्हें, तुम्हारी दादी उमा बनकर।
Respected Principal Ma'am, we would be honored if you could grace our gathering. Your presence and insights will undoubtedly enhance the significance of this occasion. May I request all the parents to give a huge round of applause and welcome our Principal Ma'am to address the gathering. I don't see the energy level at all from the parents. Please do encourage.
Gathered here to celebrate the graduation day, and on this auspicious day, it's time to remember and honor the founder of this school and value his legacy for the vision of the school. To mark his vision and carry out his vision, we owe him a debt of gratitude. The true tribute to this great personality would be to try our best to take this institution to strength, upholding the motto, the fountain of knowledge. I hope everyone knows the motto of our school, the fountain of knowledge. From the humble beginning we made in 1995, having crossed many measurable milestones, today our school has become a dream destination for many. I wish to begin celebrating our success by expressing my gratitudes to our precious family whose vision, wisdom inspired us to work with passion and commitment. We also remember every one of those, every parent, every student, and every teacher. The month of July, an earnest attempt to lead a green touch to the school environment and sensitize the student about their role and leadership qualities through voting system in student council election.
And all the parents and faculty members of this institution. It really gives us immense pleasure to organize this event, as today we have brought a batch of 60 students who are ready to face the worldly challenges, who had spent almost 10 to 12 years into this institution and are closing to the completion of this course of studies, that is their SLC class 10. I would like to once again remember our chairman sir, a founder of this institution, who had a dream and he wanted lots and lots of students to come to this institution and students to achieve their dreams from this institution and fly with good colors. Today, we have got alumni, our old students, who are really in no measures put lots of efforts after completing their 10th standard, and they've completed their degrees, post-graduations, and today we have invited one of our students who was our old student, who is Sub-Inspector of Police, and due to his busy schedule, he could not join us, but I am really proud. And you know, we have got a student in Jharkhand who is a DC in Jharkhand, and he is just into the post sitting district commissioner of Jharkhand, is student from the same institution. We are really proud that we are giving this kind of products to the society where these students are doing their best and best every year. Of course, even this batch of the students, I can see some of the students, those who came for LKG classes to this institution walking with their parents, and today they are on this gallery, they are just ready to face their board exams. I would like to congratulate all the students for their coming exams ahead. Yes, students? Yes? Yes. So, all these students, it is all your efforts will give you the colors. You put your efforts, definitely you can achieve your goal. You make up your minds, you make your study timetables, you study a lot and you show your talent, definitely you can do the best into your studies. As we've all given you several advices, several suggestions, long back, and it's the time where we have just come to an end of all these things and you are ready to face your board exams. Today you are sitting there, it is not only your efforts, it is all the sacrifices of these parents who are seated here. You know, all your parents have put lots and lots of efforts, their time and their continuous support on you peoples. That's why you are here. So I'd like to give a round of applause for all the parents, those who are associated with us into the long journey of this 10 years, 12 years, 8 years. We are really proud of all these parents, those who are associated with this institution, with this batch of 10th standard students. Of course, Manahil has got a long stream where every year flow of students is there and outgoing of the students and outgoing of all the Manahilians is present. This year, as you all know, last year also, our batch of 10th standard students have done their excellence and we had good results. We had 98% of results into our last year's batch. Some of the students, they achieved even to the 10% marks. We had a student who had scored out of out into one of the subjects. So this is nothing but all their efforts, and we do expect the same from this batch which is going ahead again. And we expect that these batch students also will shine in future and get us the good results. Can I expect students? I think the sound is not sufficient. This shows your confident level, isn't it? All our students are ready to face their board exams. It is nothing. It's quite very simple because you see your teachers and you see your parents, those who have completed their graduations, they've crossed their 10th standard exams and they've just reached to the graduations and post-graduations. I have got some of the students who are still doing their degrees who are present here. I can just see most of the students who are present here. This shows that clearing your 10th standard, it is not difficult. It is just an easy task, but you have to make up yourself, make up your mind, put your efforts, and definitely where there is a will, there is a way. And God always helps you when you put your efforts. When you try to shine higher and higher, definitely our blessings, your parents' blessings, and all your teachers' blessings are with you people.
And all the best for all the students who are sitting here, the upcoming new stars, new youth. Mr. Ford, very thank you so much, sir, for chairman, sir, because the way I have seen, because this is my brother's first year, he has been joined, I was very nervous. So every time I used to say, the chairman, sir, principal ma'am, secretary ma'am, even all the staff, I used to say that, ma'am, please see him, but they have given me a wonderful support. They have never let me down and they made him my brother, so literally a boy. I'm unable to believe that first taste he was not doing that much well, but when coming to second, third, fourth and all the preparatory exams, I hope now he is doing well just because of you all. Thank you so much, sir. And the activities you have been conducted for the students and for all the new ones also, you have made them a great participant. You have supported all of them equally to participate in each of them. Thank you so much. Thank you.
He is also one of our old students of Manahilian. He is a Manahilian.
Thank you for your kind words, ma'am. Evening, parents. How is the Josh going on? Are you happy seeing your kids shining here? Please reply. Yes, parents, you can reply. Okay, so in the year 2018, this was my place where I used to eat food. I used to wander around with my friends. That was my beautiful class. She is my beautiful teacher. They all are my beautiful guider and also the one who made me who I am now. Well, my advice to upcoming students here,
never give up. No matter what situation comes in your life, even I was a failure once. Then, my Salim sir, my Nasima ma'am, they held my hand. They gave me such a beautiful motivation. They made me, from Rais, they made me Rais Ahmed. I am a SFGC student, a BBA graduate, and Alhamdulillah, I am working in an MNC named Mr. Cooper. And my sister Ikra, all the best for you. Rock the school. I need your name on the top notch of the board. Thank you, everyone.
Here, Ms. Naseeb Jan and Mr. Slimaz now, who wish to speak on this occasion. Welcome, ma'am.
Good evening. I have the honor to speak on behalf of all the parents here tonight and to represent of our some thoughts and reflections on the happy occasion of seeing our children graduated from Manahil English High School. Thank you for all the love, care and dedication that you put into teaching our child. We are beyond grateful. We are beyond grateful for your guidance and support. To the best teachers, your hard work and dedication have not gone unnoticed. Words cannot capture my appreciation. With your guidance, our daughter had developed into a confident and capable child. Thank you for being such an important part in our child's development. Your expertise in teaching has put our minds at ease. We are so grateful to have as our child's teacher. Thank you.
Nawaz Jan Qureshi sir, who was the first inspiration of mine. May God grant him the Jannah. And we have just the opposite copy of the Nawaz Jan Qureshi, our sir, Salim sir. Just like I still remember how Nawaz Jan Qureshi sir used to inspire ourselves. Like his words, like when I take his name, I'm getting the goosebumps still. Like I don't know what inspiration. I remember his still the words. He used to inspire us very much. Like I was a batch from the 1920. Later on, we got the Corona this one, and we used to like sir was and every teachers of us was expecting too much from my side. But I got little bit less marks. But I hope the expectation was with me. My sister will complete that expectations. And I want to say one thing: be a leader. What is a leader? First of all, this thing I will say, not a leader who just kills everyone, who rules everyone. I will say one of the teachers said me this thing: a leader is the one who knows the way, who goes the way, who shows the way. Just be a leader, and I want not everyone, my sister, I want every one of the students to pass out from here and make the name of the Manahil very high. And you know everything. Sir, you know, just you will be remembering, sir, you always stays talking English. You know what is English means? If you talk in English, your value goes out outside the world. It is just starting of the state of your life. It is not the, many teachers say, you will be thinking like SLC, we have completed SLC, just finished. No, it is the starting of the life. By the grace of the God and my parents and my teachers, I'm standing here, I'm doing BC in data science in Indian Academy. And Indian Academy is also not like they will not offer the student who is a failure. They will offer the student who is a good in studies. And just because of seeing the Manahil English High School, the management also knows what is a Manahil English High School, and many students are studied there. The name, because just Manahil has grown up just not by this one, not like as this like other schools, just because of the hard work of the parents and as well as the management. And this blocks, it is not just the students and everything. It is the hard work of the management. First of all, the Nawaz Jan Qureshi sir, next of all the Salim sir, and Nasima ma'am. I was very thankful to the ma'am that we used to stare around. I have this still fearness of the parents, these teachers. I don't know what happens when I come in front of the teachers at Blatter. I doesn't know. I still respect it. I feel like they are my face teachers. I don't feel others are my teachers. Like the PUC teacher and the degree teachers. They are my teachers. But actually, if I say my real teachers are my school teacher, I have studied 13 of of 13 years of my life. The first day, still my mom says that I was crying in the school when I was entering this one. But I know if the God has given me the rewind button, I would recommend my school right back because I have got lots of wins in this ground and lots of co-curriculum activities over here. And we still remember going to the ground, coming back on the ground, having a lunch with the friends, having a lunch with the teachers motivating us and teachers. And I wanted to say that marks is just a number. I don't think by taking this word don't get lesson marks. Like marks is just a number. Many students get demotivated by the marks. Marks is just like a number. Like it is a age. It is set for the age also. But marks is also a number. Just don't be demotivated by the numbers and just don't give up at any cost. If the teacher doesn't motivate only for you the marks, they motivate for your life, upcoming life. I can see many lecturers, doctors, engineers sitting over here and make your parents proud. First of all, when you grow up and become anything, first of all your parents become proud. Later the management of the Manahili will be becoming the proud. By this point I will thank the teachers and the management for giving the opportunity. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
One step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me.
Dreams of those who have come.
My name is Umaid Kulsum. I am from grade 10. I got the Pratiksha Pe Charcha in October 2. I was having the quiz competition on October 2. I got this appreciation from Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. I got this appreciation from him. So I'm proud to be that. I'm proud to get this appreciation from the Prime Minister of. I'm proud to be that of Manahilian. Thank you.
How is your journey in Manahi?
My journey is so good. I was studying from 4th standard to till 10th standard. My journey is very well. Now I am come to the last year of the 10th standard. I would like
Just support and
the teachers' support was very well. The teachers guided me so nice, so that I came till the 10th standard. I have learned many of the things from the teachers.
My journey in Manahil English High School was very good. I have experienced many new things. I have got many new things to learn. From this school, I have got many opportunities. I have won many prizes. The teachers are very good in Manahil English High School. They are very cooperative to us and they give us many opportunity to learn many things. Thank you.
मेरा नाम है शाबाश पाशा और मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ 10th स्टैंडर्ड ए सेक्शन। मैं बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ हमारे सलीम सर और नवाब सर और हमारे मिसेस चेयरमैन का। उन्होंने हमें यहाँ तक पहुँचाया, इल्म दिया और पढ़ाया।
Arbaz Sharif. I am studying in 10th standard A section. My school is Manahil English High School. This is the best school. I am here from UKG. I was a small baby when I came here. The first day when I came, the first teacher of my life was Rabia ma'am. She took me, she sharpened me, she teach me everything, and she says for my mother that your child can do it. And now if I see for the teacher say, Rabia ma'am comes and says me, I know you are my child, you are my student, I teach for you, and I am very happy for it. I am very happy my father had done my admission here in this school. My sir, principal, Mr. Salim sir, has a very good management. Our principal is our English teacher. She teaches us very good English. We have two maths teachers. They teach us very good. If we cannot understand from one method, the another teacher teaches another method which is very easy for us, or they teach us in two ways. We have two science teachers and we have a smart class. We have very good things. We have very good management. Thank you.
My name is Javeria.
I am studying in 10th standard in Manahil English High School. I have a great journey in my school. Today was my graduation day. I made many memories with my friends as well as my teacher. My teacher served me as a guiding light. They always helped me for everything whenever I needed them. And my friends always supported me, encouraged me. This journey was unforgettable and will always remain in my heart only because of my friends and my dear teachers. They were the ones who served me, who motivated me to be the best version of myself. Thank you.
What do you want to become?
I have to tell that.
Ambition.
My ambition is to become a doctor, an MBBS doctor with a specialist of neurologist. Inshallah, one day after going from this institution, I will make this institution a great success, proud to all my teachers. I will make my parents proud. I will make my teachers proud. And inshallah, one day I will be a MBBS doctor.
I'm Ikra, studying from class 10th. Today is my graduation day, and this day is possible because of my teachers who supported me so much. They made the immense effort in preparing me, and my parents who supported me from coming from the kindergarten till now. It's because of my parents and my teachers. I thank them.
My name is Mohammed Suhan from 10th A, and I am studying from this year. I have joined this institution this year, but I have enjoyed a lot in this school. All the teachers motivated me a lot, especially our principal ma'am, our class teacher and the high school faculty. I will thank my teachers and my institution for providing such an educational facility in our school. We enjoyed a lot this year.
What your father do?
My father is an aluminium fabricator. He does his own business.
What is your ambition?
My ambition is to work hard and study and score a good result from this institution.
What do you want to become?
I wanted to become a CA, a chartered accountant.
Good. My name is Farhan. I'm from grade 10. First I was studying in Modern English High School. Then I shifted my home to near New Baglu layout. Then with the help of my friend, he said there is a school, Manahil English High School, and it is famous. So I thought to join there. And thank you for principal and the management who gave me the admission. I joined from 6th standard. So totally my journey was very good till here, and the teachers are very good and their education is very good. Their explaining thoughts are very good.
ये इदारा जो है इसके बानी हमारे वालिद जनाब अलहाज नवाब जान कुरैशी हैं। उन्होंने इस इदारे को कायम किया था। 1994 में इस इदारे का जो है अमल में लाया गया था। हम लोग जो है ये बड़े अफसोस से कहना पड़ रहा है कि लॉकडाउन में जो है वो हमारे साथ नहीं रहे। उसके बाद से जो हम लोगों को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को आगे बढ़ाते हुए इंस्टीट्यूशन को आगे लेकर चलना पड़ा। उन्हीं के बताए हुए नक्शे कदमों पर और आकर जो है उन्हीं के जो ख्वाब थे उस ख्वाब को लेकर हम लोगों ने जो है हमारी टीम से, दैट इज सुप्रीम एजुकेशन एंड कल्चरल ट्रस्ट, ये ट्रस्ट के मातहत इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जो है हम लोग चला रहे हैं। एंड दिस इज आवर ऑलमोस्ट 19th बैच। यहाँ पर जो हम लोग ये 10th स्टैंडर्ड की बैच है। तो इंशाल्लाह उनका ख्वाब था कि हम लोग जो है बेस्ट एजुकेशन बच्चों को दे। हम लोग उसी बुनियाद को लेकर जो है पूरी तरीके से हमारी तवज्जो है और हम लोग पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं बच्चों को बेहतर तरीके से तालीम बच्चों को दें।
ज्यादातर बच्चे जो है गरीब और पसमानदा खानदानों से आते हैं, तो कैसे आपको इस मसले से को सामने रखते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं?
एक फीस स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा मसला है, ये जो है हर पेरेंट के साथ होता है। ये क्या है बोले तो एक लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप पेरेंट्स और मैनेजमेंट के दरमियान में होता है। कभी कभार ऐसा होता है पेरेंट्स ऑन टाइम पे कर देते हैं, कभी कभार उनको कुछ वजूहात के बिना पर जो है उनके कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स के बिना पर जो है डिले कर देते हैं। हम लोगों को उसको भी देखना है, बट फीस इज अ डिफरेंट इश्यू। हम लोग कभी भी पढ़ाई में जो है वी डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज, वी गिव द बेस्ट क्वालिटी, वी ट्राई आवर लेवल बेस्ट टू गिव द बेस्ट क्वालिटी। एंड हम लोगों ने जो है हमारे चेयरमैन स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम के तहत काफी सारे बच्चों को जो है हम लोग ने स्पॉन्सर किया है। लास्ट ईयर जो है हमारा स्पॉन्सरशिप था 42 स्टूडेंट्स। इस ईयर हमारा जो है 58 स्टूडेंट्स का एक नंबर है। इस नंबर को जो हम लोग स्कॉलरशिप दिए हैं, जिसमें जो है चेयरमैन स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम, इस स्कीम में जो है बच्चों को एडमिशन हमारी जानिब से फ्री होता है और जो है बच्चों को जिसका परफॉर्मेंस अबव 90% है हमारे तरफ से स्कॉलरशिप होती है, जो डिजर्विंग पेरेंट्स हैं उनके लिए।
फिर में कहाँ तक पहुंचे हैं आपके स्टूडेंट्स?
हमारे स्टूडेंट्स आकर जो है हम लोग अलुमिनीज अगर बात करेंगे तो हमारे ओल्ड स्टूडेंट्स जो है डिग्रीज भी करके हैं, ग्रेजुएशन भी करके हैं। आज जो है हमारे साथ एक स्टूडेंट आने वाले थे जो सब इंस्पेक्टर ऑफ पुलिस थे और आकर जो है हमारे एक स्टूडेंट झारखंड में डीसी जो है बनकर प्रेजेंट डीसी ही इज देयर इनटू झारखंड। हम लोगों को बड़ी खुशी होती है कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स जो है काफी सारे अचीवमेंट्स किए हैं। अक्सर हम लोग जो है एनुअल डे में उनको बुलाते हैं और उनको भी फेलिसिटेट करते हैं। अगर इंशाल्लाह आगे भी जो है हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि इसी तरीके के स्टूडेंट्स को बुलाकर इट विल बी अ मोटिवेशन फॉर द अदर स्टूडेंट्स।
मनाहिल का विजन क्या है?
मनाहिल का विजन जो है फाउंटेन ऑफ नॉलेज, मोटो जो है फाउंटेन ऑफ नॉलेज, दैट मीन्स नॉलेज टू एवरी इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट। हम लोग हर स्टूडेंट को नॉलेज देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
ठीक।
हमारे पास जो है कंप्यूटर क्लासेस हैं, हमारे पास जो है साइंस लैब है, हमारे पास जो है लेबोरेटरी है, ओवरऑल पूरे फैसिलिटीज जो हम लोग बच्चों को दे रहे हैं। ये प्रोग्राम जो है प्रधानमंत्री की जानिब से ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था, पूरे स्टेट में इसको किया गया था, तो हमारे भी बच्चे उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किए। पार्टिसिपेट करने के बाद जो है हम लोगों को जो है प्रधानमंत्री की ओर से एक सर्टिफिकेट बच्चों को दिया गया है जिसमें जो है दी बेस्ट जो है वो ऐसे राइटिंग किए हैं। हम लोग जो है आपको सर्टिफिकेट्स भी प्रोड्यूस करके हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। और साथों साथ जो उसमें टीचर्स का भी एक कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा जिसमें हमारे टीचर्स भी पार्टिसिपेट किए, उनको भी जो सर्टिफिकेट मिलकर है प्रधानमंत्री की जानिब से। इसमें जो है हम लोग हमारे जो है सिर्फ 5 बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया और एक बच्ची को जो है अवार्ड मिलकर है।